radically new, and it is radically new reading of
today.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Shelby County, southwestern Rush County, Decatur County, east central Johnson County, northeastern Bartholomew County until 12:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southwest of Shelbyville, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Geneva and Waldron around midnight Eastern Daylight Time. Hope and St. Paul around 12:05 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Adams, Milford, Hartsville, Bernie, Greensburg, Letts, Westport, and Millhausen. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 81 and 87. Interstate 74 between mile markers 109 and 144. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday for the following counties in Indiana: Bartholomew, Decatur, Johnson, Rush, and Shelby.